In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the opening balances of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're familiar with accounting software, you've probably used QuickBooks Online to help streamline your financial processes. But one thing that can trip up even seasoned users is managing and adjusting opening balances. Today, we'll be diving into how you can efficiently edit the opening balance of an account right inside QuickBooks Online with ease. To get started, let's navigate to the main page of your QuickBooks Online. Look towards the top right of the screen, and you'll notice a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to many settings in QuickBooks Online. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a detailed listing of all the accounts your company uses to record transactions, so getting to know this area well can be quite beneficial. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you need to locate the specific account for which you want to change the opening balance. You might have a long list depending on the complexity of your business, so scroll through carefully, or you can use the search function if you're familiar with the account name. Keep in mind that an opening balance is essentially the amount in the account when you first set it up, so it's an integral part of your initial accounting records. Once you've found the account in question, you should see an option called View Register adjacent to it. Click on View Register to move further. This action will take you to a detailed ledger view for that particular account where all transactions are recorded. To proceed, it's vital that you sort the transactions by the oldest date. Why? Because typically, the opening balance will be the first entry ever recorded in the account register. This helps in pinpointing exactly where to make necessary changes without getting lost in more recent transactions. You can usually sort the dates by clicking on the date header until you see the list rearranged from oldest to newest. Now that you have located the opening balance transaction, click on the amount associated with this transaction. This step is pivotal as it allows you to enter into an editable mode for the opening balance amount. Make the required changes to the opening balance as needed, ensuring they align with your financial records or adjustments you need to implement. After you've made the edits, remember to click Save. This step confirms your changes and updates the record within your accounting system. And with that, you're done. You've now successfully edited the opening balance for an account in QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps in maintaining accurate financial records, but also ensures that your accounts reflect the correct starting points. Be sure to double-check these changes for accuracy and don't hesitate to reach out for support if needed. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!